Okay, we are going to be working on comparing and contrasting how different ideas are depicted in different formats. So let me share my screen here. So compare and contrast. When you compare two things, you decide how they are similar. When you contrast two things, you decide how they are different. You can compare and contrast any elements of text, including characters, setting, scope, theme, text structure, genre, and author's purpose. Writers often use comparing and contrasting to organize their text. Words that signal comparing are like also, to, both, likewise, similarly, in addition, like, moreover, in the same way, as well as. Some words that signal contrasting would be but, instead, otherwise, except, although, different from, on the other hand, unlike, however, and by contrast. So let's look at these two passages. The first one says, Daytona Beach, Florida is a resort town in the Atlantic Ocean. It is part of the large area with about 500,000 people. The summers are hot and humid, and the winters are mild and dry. The height of tourism season is May through September. Known for its hard-packed sand, Daytona was home to car races on the beach from 1902 to 1959. More than 8 million tourists visit Daytona Beach each year. Okay, and then the next one says, this summer I took a trip to Daytona Beach, Florida with my aunt, uncle, cousins. Even though I had to help babysit my 4 little cousins, it was a great vacation. We drove there from Georgia. Being in the car with 4 little kids was the hardest part of the whole trip. We stayed in a hotel right on the beach. The beaches are beautiful. It was cool to see the palm trees. I love swimming in the ocean. I learned to body surf. So how are these passages alike? And how are they different? Well, they're alike because they both have the same topic, Daytona Beach. They're both nonfiction and they both describe what Daytona Beach looks like. They are different because the first passage is informative. It gives facts about Daytona Beach. The second passage is narrative, an account of one person's trip to Daytona Beach. So that's an example of comparing and contrasting two different texts about the same kind of topic. So you're going to read passage 1 and 2 here, and then you are going to answer some compare and contrast questions for your quiz.